today's project, we're gonna be using yarn. Nope, we're not knitting, but we are making yarn art. Say that 5 times fast. But guess what? We're gonna make this project really fast. You know why? Because we're using Aleene's Turbo Tacky adhesive. I love it because it dries 50% faster and it doesn't run, so it's really great for a detailed project like we're gonna do today. All right, the other things that we need for today's project is a canvas as our base, tweezers, scissors, and an assortment of regular old yarn. Are you ready? Let's start making. To get started, I cut a piece of each one of my yarn colors and laid them out in the order in which I want to use them. Now I'm going to take my Aleene's Turbo Tacky glue and I'm going to draw what is going to be the base of my design. And I'm going to use this nice fine tip to draw a line of glue. And that is going to be my starting place for my artwork. And we're going to do one line at a time. So I'm going to start with my pink yarn. I'm going to leave it hanging a little bit off the edge, which we'll trim that later. And then I'm going to lay it in the line of glue. When I'm ready for my next color, I'm going to add another line of glue right next to my pink and keep doing this as I cycle through all of my colors. All right, now we're just going to keep going, repeating our pattern over and over again until we get our canvas filled. Our yarn art is done and I love how it turned out, and that Aleene's Turbo Tacky glue dried so quickly. Find out more about Aleene's Turbo Tacky glue and shop it on their website and get more inspiration for other projects from makers like me. As always, follow me over at Craftbox Girls and on craftboxgirls.com for more projects with my favorite Aleene's products. All right, friends, it's time to go hang this in the craft room. Bye!